Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, let's understand the options method in API testing and learn how it helps us check supported HTTP methods and cross origin resource sharing permissions of an API. So here the options method is an HTTP request is used to find out what operations are allowed on specific API endpoints. So these method used to find what operations and communication options are supported by API endpoints. It is mainly used for checking allowed HTTP methods and handling cross-origin resource sharing. So here, I'm showing you how some points about that options. So it is used to check supported HTTP methods of an API endpoint. Does not return actual data like get or post. So mainly used for API testing and debugging. So helps in cross origin resource sharing validation. So useful to verify server capabilities before sending the request. So now I'm creating I'm using requested data. So requested URL. So I'm adding the request here. So here you have to select that options. So now I'm changing the name allowed methods. So you can take any name. So here I'm taking these requested URL, then paste it, then send. So click on send here, then save. So in the body we have click on the headers. So we have to check out in response. So see that so we have used that method options and URL these URL. So request method, the top of left Postman you selected options here. So now unlike post, put, patch, delete options normally does not create, update and delete the data. So here so see that so our response shows that 204 no content. This means the server successfully processed the options request but does not need return any response body. So 204 is a normal and successful response for option request. So here important header here allows. So in our response headers, we can see that access control allow methods here. So it allows that get and head and put, patch and post, delete. So this tells the client which HTTP methods the server allows. So get is used to retrieve the data and put is used to create the data and post is used to creating the data and put is used to updating the data. So patch partial updation and delete is used to delete the resource, delete the data. And head here you can see that head. So these headers without response body, get the headers without response body. So the options response is especially so essentially telling the client. So these methods are you can use with the server or endpoint like that. So and one more is access control allow credentials. You can see that it shows the true. So this indicates that the server allows the credentials to be included in cross origin request. So subject to the servers. So cross configuration. So we can also see that vary origin and access control here. So vary origin access control request headers. This tells caching systems that the response can vary depending on request origin and requested headers. So and one more is rate limits here. So you can see that rate limit 1000 and so and down. So rate limit 1000 are remaining 9. So maximum. So this indicates that maximum request allowed in the relevant periods. So these are additional server specific headers. They are not part of the options method itself. So here this is all about options method. So it helps us to understand what methods an API supports and whether cross origin requests are allowed. So thank you for watching and see you in next session.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.